Welcome back. My name is Kaitlyn and today we are making fresh and delicious pesto pasta. I know you guys are going to love this recipe, and if you haven't tried pesto before, make sure you give it a try. I know it's weird because it's green, but I promise you're going to love this. It's fresh and healthy, and it's very easy to make. This recipe makes 4 3-ounce servings or 6 2-ounce servings of pesto pasta. Let's bring a large pot of water to a boil. Next, we want to salt our water so the pasta absorbs the seasoning. The water should be salty like the sea, so be generous with the salt. Then we're going to add our pasta. I'm using 12 ounces of gluten-free spaghetti, but you can use whatever kind you like. Once we drop the pasta into the water, don't break it in half. Instead, let it soften until you can push the rest of the pasta underwater. This way, you can keep the beautiful long strands of pasta. Once your pasta is done cooking, remove the pot from the heat and transfer the pasta into a strainer and let it drain. Now let's make our pesto. We're going to need a food processor of some sort, and we're going to add a half cup of olive oil. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of pine nuts and 2 large cloves of garlic, or 4 to 6 small cloves. We're also going to add 2 cups of pre-washed fresh basil leaves. We're going to add a few pinches of salt to taste at the end. You're also going to need a half cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. If you're vegan or dairy-free, you can totally omit the cheese, and it's still going to taste amazing. Or you can use a vegan cheese like this one. Now, let's blend our pesto until all the ingredients are broken down into a smooth sauce-like texture. Here's where I like to add my salt. Kosher salt is my go-to for cooking because, like I said earlier, table salt leaves a bitter metallic taste. And now we're going to transfer our spaghetti from our strainer to a large bowl. We're going to pour our pesto on top of the pasta and toss with tongs to evenly distribute the pesto. As far as plating goes, I like to spoon a bit of the pesto onto my dish and create a circle. Now we twirl the pasta on a spoon and place it in the center of the dish. Garnish with a few fresh basil leaves and some freshly grated Parmesan. Enjoy! You know, this is actually a dish I first had when my husband and I were first dating, and I used to go over to his house, and his mother, who's Italian, used to make this all the time. And I was like, what is that green stuff? I used to not want to try it, but one day he got me to try it and I loved it, and it became my favorite, and anytime she made it, I wanted to be there. So I love you, Tina, and thank you for showing me pesto pasta. This one's for you. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I love you guys, and I will see you next time.